go over to the guitar bus, see what we got going on. So I'm turning all this off so you can just hear the guitars by himself. So first we got that preamp. I think that was a free saturator. I put EQ where it just enhances some high frequencies and rolling off some bass frequencies. I don't even think I really looked at this one. I had this going into a Presonus amp. I opened this project months later and got this. I have a compressor on there and just like pretty standard, low enhanced bass with pretty standard stuff. Moved the mics back so they'd wolf a little bit more. And I just put a retro color on, so I got a little bit of just random noise generated. I got some wobble, just make some shaky effects. The distortion's just another saturator. I'm just focusing on like from here down to the low end of the mix to get a little bit more thickness. And then just some more reverb. And this magnetic thing, it just plays with the sound a little bit just to make it sound like it is a little bit worn. Got this solo guitar. Just another. So I put a compressor on there. It's got a ratio of like 8, so it's going pretty hard. Here's what it sounded like with the old amp. And I wanted that like washed out sound. Sounds like the Tim Henson amp. And this is another clean one, pretty standard amp settings. You got a compressor on there. This one, the mics weren't moved as far away, but they just like moved off center a little bit. I just like barely moved them, but it sounded like I was doing a lot. This is the most important part, which I didn't think was important. That's a little bit cleaner of a signal, but it sounds so piercing. Some notes are more pronounced than others, so I just like moved these around individually, see how I liked it, and I just kept replaying it. So like I rolled off some low bass, kept these the same, rolled off some bass here because it sounded problematic. So over here too, boosted 2K a little bit because it sounded cool. I was hearing like a few things I didn't hear. More reductions than adding anything. And then just reverb on the neutral settings.